A small asteroid that 2 years ago flew past Earth at a comfortable distance of about 1.3 million miles will safely fly by our planet again in a few weeks.
NASA warns that 2 asteroids or comets are hurtling towards Earth, but they are not sure which. According to the report, NASA has revealed that 2 celestial objects are fast approaching Earth and are currently zooming through the solar system. 2 objects are currently hurtling down toward Earth orbit and will come close to Earth in January, February, or sometimes around March 2017. One of the bodies is a comet known as C 2016 U1 NEOWISE, which was first discovered by NASA NEOWISE mission. The asteroid hunting project set up sometimes ago in October 2016 and is set to reach its closest point on January and February 2017. According to the video below and other reliable science reports, it is noted that this small asteroid had hit Earth many times but was redirected by NASA Special Technology mission, and it is sure to repeat the very same devastating and obnoxious cycle sometimes later this year. Planet Earth could be under very serious threat as of now, as this series of planetary changes begins to occur. In this short video clip below, you will get much more updates.
Though this time, it may be much closer. During the upcoming March 5th flyby, asteroid 2013 TX68 could fly past Earth as far out as 9 million miles, or as close as 11,000 miles. The variation in possible closest approach distances is due to the wide range of possible trajectories for this object, since it was tracked for only a short time after discovery.
According to the video below and other reliable science reports, it is noted that this small asteroid has hit Earth many times in the past, but was specially redirected through the NASA Asteroid Redirect mission, and again is expecting to cause a devastating and obnoxious cycle, sometimes again in the next few months. Planet Earth could be under a very serious threat right now as this series of planetary changes begins to occur. According to NASA's Paul Childers, the comet has a good chance of becoming visible through a good pair of binoculars, although we can't be sure because a comet's brightness is notoriously unpredictable. There is a bit of confusion surrounding other objects. However, with experts unsure as to whether it is a comet or an asteroid, the object in question has been dubbed 2016 WF9. It's not followed by the trail of icy debris like a comet usually does, but it does seem to have the reflective body structure of a comet. As it approaches, scientists will be studying it to confirm what type of celestial body it is. NASA's Deputy Principal Investigator James Burr of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory said that the 2016 WF9 could have symmetry origins. This object illustrates the boundary between asteroids and comets, and it's known as a blurry one. Perhaps over time, this object has lost the majority of the volatile that lingers on just the body surface. It is due to this research that it reaches the closest of the Earth on February 25th, when it will be just 32 million miles away. While it seems a safe distance, in galactic terms, it's not that far. While this time around it does not pose any danger, experts worry that when it returns, as it orbits Jupiter and the sun, it could be significantly closer. Thanks for watching. And for some reasons, regardless of where you might be watching this short report from, be you in Africa, Asia, Australia, America, or the United Kingdom, or whatever continent or country you are in, it is crucial to understand the signs of end of days. These are signs of end times. So do remember to give your life to Christ, should in case you haven't done that. And lastly, always keep an eye on the sky. Leave your comment below and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you on the underside.